Programming for the calendar year, I am leapfrogging forward and hoping that since it looks like the pandemic is starting to flatten, there may be no need for now for me to summon the education stakeholders to look afresh at the timetable. So the timetable remains as we had decided earlier in the year, and by the grace of God the children will come to school the time we said they should come to school. As far as the results are concerned, the results for the KCPE, I said, are within 2 weeks. We are still within that period. All I can say is that we are doing extremely well. Children, and we as their fathers and people who are responsible for them, we will handle them with the tough love that is required. There has never been a situation in this country since independence where children were subjected to the conditions that they have been subjected to this time round. That's why His Excellency the President directed us to bend backwards, and that any child, for example, who is found with a phone can go to court when it is flexible, but will continue the exam to the end, so that judgment is given at a holistic stage.